you need to review these meetings on your own time so that you get the important information that's relayed in these. So be a mandatory assignment for those of you that miss these meeting sessions to get to me. All right, guys, we are going to get started. How's everyone doing?
Tired.
Tired, thumbs up.
I'm all right.
All right, hanging in there. All right, I decided to stay home today, so my background is a little bit different than my whiteboard. And my doggo is certainly pretty happy with that fact.
I want to see your dog.
Yeah.
This is Charlie.
Aww.
It's Charles Darwin.
Oh, that's cute.
He's pretty psyched that I'm not in at school quite as much. All right. So why don't we start? Shane, you had a question.
So, in your mind, do you think we will have school before summer, or do you think we'll have it after summer?
Honestly, I don't know. I mean, this situation is so rapidly evolving. I think it's hard for anyone to know for sure. I know that everyone at TA and the powers that be are really hoping that we get to see each other again and finish out school in the classroom. But it's just impossible to make those guarantees. I don't think anyone really knows. And I know that that's difficult to hear, especially if you need like a definitive answer. But it's just the reality of the situation. We just need to adapt to the situation as it changes and escalates or dissipates. So we'll see.
So, kind of relating to what Shane's question is, will we be? How would final exams work if we have to do them online?
If we have final exams online, honestly, I don't know how that's going to work yet. We do have a staff meeting tomorrow where we're going to try and work out those scenarios or come up with some kind of action plan or contingency plan. If in fact we do extend out into our finals. I know any student that's in an AP class, they've made some adjustments there for those AP exams that are right around the corner. But beyond that, it's kind of up in the air right now. I will certainly keep you guys up to date as much as humanly possible when I can. As soon as I have information that I can share with you, I will share it out to you. A couple things just to get into the agenda. Quarters tomorrow. There's still a bunch of you that have some missing assignments. I did post the exam early. You don't have to wait until the due date to finish it. So that exam is up there. When you guys are ready to take it, you have to take it. Well, do me a favor. Don't wait until 11:59 on Friday because the quarter ends Friday. That will just mean I'm up late grading a bunch of exams, which I don't really want to do. But if it is what it is, if that's your schedule, that's what you have to do. That's what you have to do. I have extended, even though technically you don't have school Friday, to help you guys out, give you a little buffer, even though it creates a little bit of more work on my end. I have extended all due dates out till Friday. So if you want to spend that time where it could have been your day off, catching up on work for me or other classes, you have that opportunity to do so. Just a quick update. Many of you, or some of you, I don't want to say many, some of you have been expressing frustrations with Google Classroom. There has been an app update in the App Store, so everyone, whether or not your app is working fine, should go into the App Store at some point today, download that free update so that it continues to run smoothly or will run smoothly. If you're continuing to have problems, don't just ignore it and not submit your work. Just email me, let me know that you're having those issues. I can either email you files directly, I can have you email me assignments, but there are ways around it. The first step, though, is to download that new update so that your version is current. Yeah, other than that, I think that's it for Google Classroom stuff. Quarter ends tomorrow. If you have some, I've been pretty diligent about grading things as they come in. So if I have it, if you've uploaded already to Google Classroom or emailed it to me, you already have a grade for it. So I would check Power School, see where you have zeros or have no grades at all, and make sure that you've dotted your I's, crossed your T's, so that you're good to go for Friday. We will be having these meetings just once a week. And they're going to be relatively short, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, just to check in. I'm not going to lecture through this format, but this is just an opportunity so we can all make some FaceTime. You guys can let me know of any questions or concerns you have, and I can feed you information a little more rapidly than a post. Again, remember, if you miss future meetings, you have to watch the video version and email me the prompts that I posted so that I know you've gotten that information. I think that's it. Does anyone have any questions, concerns for me? Okay, I'll take your silence as confirmation. Are you guys doing good? You guys hanging in there?
Pretty much by a string at this point.
I know, guys, it's getting rough. The isolation is, it's real. But I can't say it enough. Find ways to keep your brain active, keep your emotional and mental state healthy.
I'm getting bored.
Yeah, definitely.
You can still do distance walks, right? Like you can meet with a friend and maybe walk 6 feet apart from one another. Have conversation.
The road on either side, just going.
Sure.
I live 40 minutes away from y'all. I don't even have a car right now. It's all the way in Mass. I'm stuck. Does someone want to pick me up?
No,
Sure, we
you
can
can't
go
pick
play
me up
baseball.
tonight. That's too close. All right, guys. Well, if you have nothing for me, I expect you all to be busy finishing up the work that you owe me. We will be starting our new unit next week. I did want to share that with you. We're starting gas laws. That will be our new unit. I did want to ask you one thing. Does it help you guys, or is it easier for you guys for me to post like the agenda for the week like I did this week, so you know like everything that's due, when it's due, and you just have it all at once? Or do you want me to post like every Maroon Day a daily agenda like we were doing in the classroom?
Every Maroon Day. The other one's way too overwhelming. I get confused.
All right.
Yeah, I would do every Maroon Day.
Why don't we do like a little chat poll or vote? If you want every Maroon Day, we can do every Maroon Day. Just put every Maroon Day. If you want once a week, just type in once a week. And
Wait, where'd I put that?
just in the chat.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's a lot of once a week going by.
I mean, personally, once a week, I think it's up to you guys. It's your call, but once a week gives you the flexibility to kind of plan it out how you see fit with your other classes. But I also understand if it's overwhelming for somebody. What I will do, regardless, is I'll still put firm due dates on things. Maybe that will help you work and schedule out your week. All right, guys. So with that, I think I'm going to let you go. If you have nothing else for me, stay safe, be healthy, and I will see you guys sometime next week. Keep a lookout for the next video chat meeting, and you'll have an agenda probably by Sunday night at the latest. So that's that, guys. Take it easy.
You too.